Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel Science Kid. Today, we are going to see about the topic the invention of cornflakes. An interesting topic, right? And this video is the third video of the surprise treats, right? So, let us get into the video. Now, let us see about cornflakes. Cornflakes is a breakfast cereal made by toasting flakes of corn and maize. The cereal was created by William Kellogg in 1894 for his brother John Kellogg. John Kellogg wanted a food that would be healthy for the patients of the Battle Creek Sanitarium in Michigan. I'll repeat it again. The Battle Creek Sanitarium in Michigan, where he was superintendent. The breakfast cereal proved popular among the patients, but William Kellogg wanted to add sugar to increase the popularity. You just think and see, if there was no sugar in our cornflakes, it would be so bland, It would have tasted so bad. So, William Kellogg wanted to add sugar for many people to buy it. John Kellogg did not approve of this. So, William Kellogg started his own company, Kellogg Company, to produce cornflakes for the wider public. I'll repeat. So, William Kellogg started his own company, Kellogg Company. We those Kellogg's cornflakes. So tasty it was, To produce cornflakes for the wider public. A patent for the process was granted in 1896 after a legal battle between the two brothers. These two brothers went to the court, and now let us see the place of origin of this Kellogg's cornflakes. The place of origin of these cornflakes is in the United States, Michigan. And let us see the region or state of origin. The Battle Creek Sanitarium in Michigan. Here they created this and started giving people who come to their spa. This is created by, again I'll repeat, this cornflakes was created by John Kellogg and William Kellogg. The main ingredients of these cornflakes are milled corn, sugar and malt flavoring. There are many variations with it. See, with cornflakes becoming popular in the wider community, a previous patient at the sanitarium, C.W. Post, started to make rival products. Kellogg continued to experiment and various ingredients were added and different grains were used. In 1928, he started to manufacture Rice Krispies, another successful breakfast cereal. There are many generic brands of cornflakes produced by various manufacturers, but this is the original cornflakes. See, the Kellogg's cornflakes is the real cornflakes and was the first cornflakes ever sold. As well as being used as a breakfast cereal, many people of us eat it as breakfast or even a snack sometimes. So, as well as being used as a breakfast cereal, the crushed flakes can be a substitute for breadcrumbs in recipes and can be incorporated into many cooked dishes. Let us see a small description of it. Cornflakes are a packaged cereal product formed from small toasted flakes of corn, usually served cold with milk and sometimes sugar. Since their original production, the plain flakes have been flavored with salt, sugar and malt and many successive products with additional ingredients. have been manufactured, such as sugar frosted flakes and honey and nut corn flakes. Cornflakes are produced in significant quantities at the Trafford Park factory in Manchester, England, which is the largest cereal factory in the world. See, the company name which I told is the largest factory, cornflakes factory in the world. Let us see the history of this cornflakes. The story of cornflakes goes back to, I explained you the history, right? I'm sorry. So, let us see. How was it in Australia? Honey joys are a popular party snack in Australia. They are made by mixing cornflakes with honey, butter, and sugar and baking in patty cases or muffin cups. A variant popular in the UK is chocolate cornflakes cakes made with cornflakes, dark chocolate, golden syrup, and butter. Sounds delicious, right? In New Zealand, cornflakes are a core ingredient in Afghan biscuits, a chocolate biscuit made with cornflakes and topped with chocolate ice cream. So I told many things about cornflakes, and totally the history about cornflakes, and how to make it also. A little you have got an idea, right? How to make it. So we have come to the end of the video. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And you can also comment your doubts below. I will surely reply to it. So have a nice day, a great tomorrow. Bye.